KUWKK, preferably known as Kunnin Kay, and welcome to Keeping Up with Kunnin Kay, which is a personal diary of mine. Before we go anyway, if you'd like to unpack more pages of my life with me, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like this video, and comment on anything that you're interested in. And to the MVPs, the Keeping Up with Kunnin Kay community members, welcome back. Okay guys, as you can see by the title of this video, Umhlaka instalo. Let me explain what that is. That's just something my friends and I used to hype up this day. Anyways, today's Rati's birthday dinner at Mabu in Waterfall. The girls are coming out, so we're gonna look good. We're gonna have some dinner. Okay, we're gonna have some dinner. And then tomorrow we're hitting up Monarch. It's Rati's birthday celebration at the club. So Umhlaka Rati, Umhlaka girls night out, Umhlaka, you know, my girls are tense, like Umhlaka that. So yeah, right now I'm almost done packing. I'm gonna make my way to Atlang's house and do my makeup. Things, guys, I booked the makeup artist in Kempton Park and it was last minute, and I don't know if she'll be able to do my makeup for me, and it's stressing me out because in Pretoria, I'm literally gonna cry, and I don't want to do my makeup in Pretoria because hi guys, traveling with makeup in J-Face pictures, or I don't know, I just feel like it's not gonna be fresh. Anyways, yeah guys, actually as I was packing, this is what actually made me vlog, because I realized I need to plug you guys with something. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. Hey girl, you guys have seen it on socials. This absolute passion fruit martini, spirit cooler with vodka and passion fruit flavor. This one, I think maybe I'm not a martini fan. It's nice. It's nice. It's just the color also. The yellow is very, very like yellow, yeah. How can I go? Not to suited type of color, right? So that makes me very concerned because I don't really like colorful drinks, especially canned colorful drinks. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it mustn't be bright yellow. However, it's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. And yeah, trapa. This was 139 bucks. 139 rand. I also have the pink one. Let me show you. Let me open my little fridge, because I can't see everything of mine is a little. Let me open my little fridge. Guys, I also have new hair. Get into it. Get it. So this is the berry vodka Rita with vodka and berry flavor. So I don't think this one is pretending to be any sort of cocktail, because this is a martini flavor. This one is good, but surprisingly it has no color. It's clear in color. This one is really good. Also I like it because it kind of matches my nails. Yeah guys, okay, this is how the cans look. Let me do the whole, y'all see there, the cans are so pretty. Also, not me promoting this thing, not even gonna pay me or so. I knew Coco's would drop them. I really knew them drop them. And then this is the berry vodka. If you, the can is 300 milliliters. Yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna review about these things. Let me get going. I shall see you later. Hi guys, I've arrived in Kempton Park. I'm actually in Edlin right now. I'm about to get my makeup done. This was like a last minute thing because the makeup artist I had initially wanted to book, my mom told them I'm booking for tomorrow. It's my mom's makeup artist, so miscommunication, the lady's not available, so I had to do a plan B. Let's see how it goes. But I really don't want to do too much because I'm not into like people doing my makeup, and I don't actually have makeup anymore. That's the reason why I want to I want to get my makeup done by someone else, or like a professional makeup artist, because my makeup is just, I need to restock essentially. So yeah, let us go. I'll see you guys when it's time for the transformation. Bye. Ta-da. Yeah, no, go on. Thank you, sisters. Anki, it's Linelli. This is the look. On Instagram, I can YouTube. This lady. If you're in Kempton Park, you know where to come. Like, guys, why is he getting in the yard? Relax, brother. Relax. Hello. Ilokwe lam. String Pumile. Pumzile. Lucille Dion.
We are still a son. Ooh, Sana.
Chamianga.
I look like a ghost. I just want to do it right now. I just want to do my hair real good because I know who the fuck wants to. Real territorial about my motherfucking room. You better act like you know this, little girl. You better act like you know this. Selena is cut. Like it was cut. Your mum is cut.
Umhlaka is toro.
Girl,
I'm going to take TikToks if I'm outside.
Show me. Okay, I'm gonna come back once I'm done.
She's lying. Okay, guys, we are done getting ready. I'm wearing this dress from my friend, this other shop at Cinemarks. I can't even tell you the name. And then I'm wearing and these shoes these shoes from the Fix.
Face.
Face.
My friend.
Huh?
Oh, sorry.
My name is all disturbed. And then my face is from, I don't know the lady's handle. I'll drop it.
What?
Where is it?
Behind my mirror.
Oh, I'm kind of greeny, eh?
Yeah, because if this doesn't like...
But this eats. Chumi, go 1 hour glass. Chumi, like come on,
you are? That's when I was a mockery.
Chumi, next one, guys.
Chumi, better like...
What papa? Naga retard.
And a vela, really tag. I
Ciao, but I
don't feel like a nigga.
was it pink?
Oh, shame.
Hey,
Chumi, I'm gonna get back a black how because it matches the look.
girl, but I don't have purple shoes.
You have pink. You wear my pink.
Do you think it would eat? Chummy, but you look so good in those. These pointy shoes look nice in jeans. Yes. Guys, makeup it's a shelly. It's my hair. Woo! Guys, here's the thing. Antiperspirant spray on your feet so your feet don't slip. Slippery. Excuse me. Me. Guys, and post any TikTok on Jendi Jive. Oh, Chumi, this thing is... Guys, not my hair, Ned. Don't judge my hair. Hey.
Oh, Chumi, I think we should get going because...
Chumi, we should have requested a long time ago. Let me request.
Now? In trading, gonna go. Gihana ho gita ho.
Hello, Nana. Oh my gosh, thank you. Chumi, look at the landscape. I mean, portraits. We are outside. So pretty. We have arrived. We are at Mabu. We're at Mabu. We're with... Actually, it would be so cute if you turn the... Chum nonzer. Anyways, this is Mabu. Mabu girl. Beyonce. Oh, me. Now, Chummy, go and get me like...
Chumi, when I had it. Do this.
Yeah. Here. I need proper lighting.
You want that light?
Man, it's flash.
Okay, now I need a proper picture.
You owe to Sana. Show me the from that side or you from this side.
Actually, that mine looks nice.
You're net and I'm French. How chum obvious. Oh, chum kumulele.
Wait.
Ay, friend. The laundry. Drama.
Chubby, why how you got this drama? Culture. Exactly. What drink is this? Hey, what's up? Keeping up with Kunnin Kay Kommunity.
Birthday girl side of the. Oh girl, I don't know if you want to be vlogged.
Hello. It's my birthday.
You look so good.
She's like a doll.
So how did the Kunnin Kay Kommunity?
Last year we were turning 21. Same time, same place.
Jugu Sally Matinzi. Jugu. Hello. Hi to my channel.
Guys, listen, I brought Bonolo out of the house. For the first time in years.
Sorry.
Can you see myself in that video? What's up,
Yes, started.
She walked too fast. She's walking too fast.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just it slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner.
I am with the Go With The Afro. I'm gonna go vlogs. Hashtag vote up Sorry guys, okay. Hi friends, guys. Hi Kunnin Kay Kommunity. Rati turns 22. Yeah. Umhlaka installed. No. Umhlaka 2 ngelesine. Umhlaka 2. Umhlaka 3 today. Yesterday was Friday.
I'm saying Umhlaka 2 ngelesine because our birthday was actually Umhlaka 2. Let's see this Friday.
No.
Oh, sorry.
Gosh, take the potatoes.
Anyways, guys, it's nice to see you again. See you another time. Who's next?
New Year's Eve.
Oh, New Year's Eve. Then I'm
going down. It's going down. Girl, out the way. That's fine.
Come to my house. Okay.
I'm with Kupsi. Have you ever been on my vlog?
Hi, Kunnin Kay Kommunity. Hi. Please, no, I used to do this. Hi guys. I remember coming out. You know that bonang some music this type. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for like if you're not doing that.
Yeah, because you can't go to the other KUWKK channel. So
yeah, so subscribe to this KUWKK
channel, please.
So yeah, do the most, guys. Please, hey, more content is coming up.
We about to hit the club. Hey! I don't know if I want to sit in the front. What's sit in the front?
Somebody
who wants to sit in the front?
Guys, was 5, 3 go in the back, 2 go in the middle. It's not that deep. I want to sit in the front actually. I'm who's connected Bobby chipping.
I'm eating it. How do you even about? See with the pony.
Don't be selfish, bitch, because you got out.
Open the door. See, open that door. Oh my god. Big buck coming through. Move out the way. We have Monarch. Chumusao. Strike up. Hi, keep going, kind of. Hey. Wait, thank you. What the thing?
Wait, actually, I almost fucking broke my ankle because I'm trying to strut for you.
Oh, is it? Oh, sorry. We are drunk as hell.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know them get boss like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry.
It's lit where we at. It's lit. It is lit. Chop me. Bitch.
Haters taught me that you couldn't break me. Indeed,
My friend's crazy. Put your drinks up. Celebration every time we link up. Suck it to go much in the club. Guys, suck it to go much in the club. Suck it to go much in the club. Guys, this is the end of the vlog. I love you. It's your new vlog.